That's a big croc.
On!
Jokes aside, my cold was cold. What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to Basschickza. Dean and I are doing something a little bit different this weekend. We're doing some river fishing, so come check it out with us.
The cutter's doing well.
It is.
Okay. Where are you taking us?
On. Good one. Good job.
Upright to you,
I expected that to happen because I didn't strike.
Oh, but the mouths are hard in the river.
Nice. That was a good fish.
Sure. Healthier.
Very good.
Nice colours. The 5.5 inch slinky in McCarthy lavender shade.
Business. On. Sure. There was a hook by luck and I struck hard. Oh no, it was a good salad. Nice. Smashed it so hard, I smashed the sail off.
It actually broke the underspin off.
Oh wow.
Tail off.
Underspin off.
Feisty little buggers.
the master suite. Beds all made. So we've got a fleecy blanket, and then underneath that we've got a feather down duvet. I think we should be warm enough.
What are we making, baby? Chicken.
Mayo pizza. And watching a croc.
There's enough chicken, baby. There we go. Looking good. That was right here. Eh? I don't know if you guys can see, but there was a big splash here now. A big splash. There must have been the croc. There, if you see that. They are. He's around. Sure. But now that's come out well, baby.
I did, my love.
What's that? Salami, cheese, mushroom,
cheese,
capers.
mushrooms, capers and garlic.
So, how's this for a bush toilet? Porta potty in winter with a fire next to the toilet and a light. Perfect setup. Happy wife, happy life. It's a decent one. Okay, so there we have a fire pit going. Baby?
Hello.
I know it's cold.
It's just a little chilly.
That is actually the moon out there. Yeah, it's probably what?
I think it was a strawberry moon on like Tuesday or Wednesday. And yeah, this is now a slither off the strawberry moon, but it's beautiful. Howl at the moon.
Okay, so we're actually making what? Some shawarmas tonight.
We're doing beef shawarmas. Nice and easy with a bit of hummus and tzatziki. I'm going to chop up some cucumber and onion and tomato.
So babe, how was the fishing on the river today?
River fishing's always
Oh, river fishing is a different ball game to dams, lakes, whatever. it's just on another level.
As I've said before, and I'll say it again, the bass fights like river dragons. They hit that lure so hard. You expect a 3 kg on the other end, and it's a kg, but it's still a good fight.
Okay, so with the pizza breast toasted, a bit of hummus, oh, this is going to be so good. The tzatziki, some lekker steak, how's it, babe? Good. Okay, bit of garnish here, a bit of tomato, cucumber mix, more tzatziki, make that lekker. Bit of hummus, and then you fill it off with a bit more steak. How's that? Good morning, Zoe.
Heard a funky rhythm down my alley. Got no reason just to be in my brain.
Good morning, baby.
Love.
Oh, another beautiful day, but it's pretty chilly. Bacon and eggs, looking good. How's your coffee, my baby?
Coffee's very, very good.
In the kitchen, flipping pancakes to the beat.
Yeah. All done. Oh, cool.
Fish.
Eh?
I thought it knocked mine off too. Not too shabby. Watermelon glue. Nice. Do you want the net? Good job.
That's a better one.
That's proper.
Nice fishy.
Nice fishy. Nice. Sure. Nice. Nice, babe. That's a good fish.
I told you I'm gonna catch it.
Good job.
So guys, hit that like and subscribe button for more adventures.